yung UFL Division 2, big time na.
Big time!
Big time,
Big time.
Pa-TV-TV na.
Pa-TV na, ibang klase nga.
Ibang klase. Kayo pa-TV.
Minsan lang.
Nilalabas mo yung mga bago mong damit pag TV.
Hindi pag CJ na TV, nagje-gel na maganda.
Ano pa, pa-makeup, sunblock kasi TV. But how big is it for football that, first of all, just last year, you were showing on free TV football per se on a weekly basis. Eh ngayon, lumalim pa lalo. Division 2 pinapakita. What does that do for football?
Well, in a way, lahat kasi ng tao ngayon sa Philippine setting in terms of football awareness, nakilala nila sa national team. And then slowly with the showing of the first division games, they've seen other talents also. And now with the showing of the second division, nakita nila may potential na rin kung sino pa yung pwedeng pumasok ng first division, pwedeng kuhin ng national team, like yung Angeles Brothers nga, di ba? Si Marwin Angeles, kinukuha. Nakilala na ngayon sino ba talaga si Marwin Angeles. Kasi gulat sino ba sa naglalaro yan? But then they showed yung preview nga of the second division, nakita na rin, okay, plays for a second division club, Laos. So, yun yung dulot It widens the awareness of the people watching.
It also ups the ante. I mean, hindi porket makaisipin ng tao second division wala pa rin yan, hindi pa rin high intensity football. It's still high intensity.
Teka, mag-away no isang araw. Di ba? Galit.
So medyo papukan nga, di ba?
Oo. I mean, for a second division team to play on TV as well, it's very intense in such a way na kailangan mong pakita talaga na yung team na yun pwede rin for first division, di ba?
Diyan naman kukuha kukuha ng isang And actually, the team that was in front of the standings for much of the first round of the first division actually came from the second division. So talagang nandun yung kalidad.
So dun ka kukuha talaga.
Okay, right now it seems to be, pasintabi lang seems to be a two-horse race. Okay? Yes, it's very early, but at the halfway mark, it seems to be a two-horse race para sa second division. And how do you see this progressing?
With Diliman and Patsanga, they are both unbeaten. Iba yung quality ng players nila.
Right.
And especially with the second transfer window coming up, medyo dadagdag pa yan. Lalo na for siguro Diliman.
Kaibahan lang naman nila is yung Diliman may one draw
Yes.
Patsanga wala.
Game in hand
ang Patsanga.
Exactly.
Game in hand ngayon ang Patsanga. So with that, mukha talaga two-horse race ang talaga kasi malakas But again, lahat naman ng bagay, it's too early to tell kasi may mga iba
second
round force.
May
second round.
And it's a total of 10 games or 9?
11 12 teams So 11 games.
11 games.
11 games. So may mga habol ba dun kasi it's medyo malaking gap but not that big to get over, diba? So yun yung magandang part din. But again, from the first round, alam natin na ito yung dalawang lumalaban. Kung nagpapalitan lang sila kung sino yung nasa taas ngayon. But hopefully may mga challenge.
Yung mga mahabol din.
Mga gusto humabol.
Yung ibang kaya pa.
Yung iba naman na sasali sa bagong team tapos gusto humabol yung team nila. Diba? Yung iba naman na nagpapalakas pa tapos gusto lang humabol yung team nila. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na ikaw yun at saka ikaw yun.
Ay, ako ba yun? Hindi ako yun, di ba?
Ito na lang. Okay. Kasi malamang maybe there's gonna be a few more weeks that second division is going to be a TV game. Isa lang tanong ko sa'yo. Pag totoo ba na nagje-gel ka pag kayo yung TV?
Ito. May isang training na isang team. Hindi ko lang sabihin kung sino team. Nung nalang may televise sila talaga, pakondisyon. Talaga. Ano ba? Mag-ayos ba ako?
Bulong mo na lang sa kanila. Huwag mo na sa akin sabihin dahil ako chismoso
Kayo.
So again, like you said, it is good for football. It's good for the players.
Of course.
Because ayaw mo mapahiya.
Diba? Dalawa na yung pressure mo to get into the first division. Second is, siyempre, huwag ka mapahiya. Pride mo na lang yun. Personal pride. Hindi ka makasalo ng bola on national TV. Medyo, ba't ka nandyan? Yun yung dating, diba? So, yun yung magandang part. Uy, di ba?
Awa yun!
Grabe Di ba? Sinabi ko yun kasi alam ko nakakasalo si Jay.
Ako, panay puri ako sa'yo. Sabi ka mo, panay puri ako. Tapos pinaya mo ako. Pinuri kita na pinuri.